Please subscribe to our channel. For latest updates, don't forget to press the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to Piping Official. In this video, we will learn the different types of valves and their classifications. Valves are used for the control of volume and pressure of fluid moving through piping or in enclosed vessel. They may be operated automatically or by hand. Type of construction is as varied as the operation within the plant. Each is designed for the service to be performed. There are 5 types of valve according to their function: manual valves, check valves, safety relief valves, control valves, and diaphragm valves. A manual valve that operates through a manual operator, which is primarily used to start and stop the flow. Some design can be used for basic throttling. There are 3 types of manual valves: vertical slide valve, stopper type closure, and rotary type valves. Vertical slide valves. Valve that open and close a passageway by sliding vertically over a port. Gate valve. Gate valve is used to start and stop flow. The valve is completely open when the disc is removed from the flow stream. Stopper type closure valve are globe and needle valves. Globe valve. Linear motion valve used to start, stop and regulate flow. The disc moves perpendicular to the seat to open or close the flow, so the annular space between the disc and seat ring gradually changes. Needle valve. Needle valve have a long tapered needle-like point that is used to make relatively fine adjustment in the amount of fluid flow. Rotary type. Rotational movement valves are used to start and stop the flow. Ball valve. The valve uses a ball-shaped disc with a hole in it. When the valve is open, the whole of disc is turned in line with the direction of the flow. When the valve is shut, the ball is rotated so that the hole is perpendicular to flow direction. Plug valve. Plug valves are generally used for the same full flow service as gate valve, where quick shutoff is required. They are used for steam, water, oil, gas, and chemical liquid service. Plug valves are not generally designed for the regulations of flow. Butterfly valves. Rotary motion valve that can be used in on-off and throttling system. They are quick and easy to operate. The flow control element is on either a vertical or horizontal axis and is opened when the handle is rotated 90 degrees and closed when the valve is turned an additional 90 degrees. Let's come to the check valves. Check valves prevent the reversal of flow in the piping system. Lift check valve. The seat design of valve is similar to globe valve. The disc is usually in the form of a piston or a ball. Lift check valves are particularly suitable for high pressure service where velocity of flow is high. The disc is precisely guided and fits perfectly into the dashport. It is suitable for installation in horizontal or vertical pipeline with upward flow. Tilting disc check valve. In tilting disc check valve, the closure element is a pivoted disc with a pivot axis closure to the center of the flow stream if compared with the swing check models. The flow swing opens the disc that is seated on closed position against a mating conical surface. Swing check valve. A swing check valve consists of a body, a bonnet, and a disc that is connected to a hinge. The disc swings away from the valve seat to allow flow in the forward direction and return to valve seat when upstream flow is stopped. to prevent backflow. Diaphragm check valve. The valve uses rubber flexing diaphragm or self-centering disc to control backflow. Safety relief valve. A relief valve opens slowly as the pressure increases about the set point and only open as necessary. A safety valve rapidly opens as the pressure setting reaches and will stay open until the pressure is lower than the actual pressure set point. Both valves are used to prevent damage by relieving accidental over pressurized fluid system. Control valves. A control valve is a valve used to control flow by varying the size of flow passage as directed by a signal from a controller. This enables the direct control of flow rate and the consequential control of process quantities such as pressure, temperature, and liquid level. And the last one is diaphragm valve. Diaphragm valve is linear motion valve that are used to start, regulate, and stop flow. The disc is flexible and the seal with the seat is an open area at the top of the valve body. Let's check some classification of valve based on their functions. Isolating valves. This is used to control the flow, usually for maintenance or safety purpose. It is installed within a property is required to be in an accessible location. The location of an isolating valve can be vary based on the type and location. Some isolating valves are gate, plug, ball, diaphragm, butterfly, piston, and pinch valve. Regulating valve. It is used to regulate pressure, temperature, flow rate, and other parameters. Regulating valves are used in automatic control and regulating system. Some regulating valves are globe, needle, plug, ball, diaphragm, butterfly, piston, and pinch. As we discussed earlier, non-return valves prevent the reversal of flow in the piping system. These are swing check valves, lift check valves, etc. Some valves are used for special purpose like multi-port valve, flush bottom, float, foot valve, pressure relief valve, and breather. Let's come to the end connection of valves. There are screwed, socket, flanged, butt welded, and wafer type. Valve based on construction materials are cast iron, gunmetal, bronze, carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy carbon steel, polypropylene, special alloy, and some other plastics. Valves are operated by hand lever, hand wheel, chain operated, and gear operated. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.